Alright, today I'm going to be working on this fire pit seating. I have the block set just so I could get the rough shape of it. I need more block, but I'm going to get it straightened out, mark the patio, and then drill holes for the rebar anchor. Alright, I have it outlined in pencil, so if I remove the block, I know where to replace it. Now I'm going to go ahead and drill some holes for the rebar. Now I'm going to remove the block and clean it up. So I have my rebar cut and slipped in the holes. Alright, so here's the current situation. I have 2 runs set up of the cinder block with the rebar in it. Well, here it is. Here's the progress from yesterday. I filled all of these until I ran out of the concrete maximizer, and I used a couple bags of regular concrete. And I went ahead and bought some more to finish it off. Okay, here is the progress so far. I have the 2 bottom runs filled, and I stacked the seat back on there. And I need to fill that. Alright, here's what is about to happen. I'm going to put down the first course of bricks on the seating. My first time doing it for real, so I laid out the first course down. I didn't quite leave a big enough lip on the back of concrete, but I'm going to try and make it work. Should be fine. Here I'm just talking about how it's curved and I'm not going to be able to use a string, so I'm going to use a stick to help try and keep everything leveled.